Within this golden vault lies a skyscraper of energy. The corn seed is a concentrated masterpiece of starch and life. The first corn sprout emerges, a sharp green spike protected by a translucent sheath called the coleoptile. The ascent begins. The corn sprout breaks the surface with a specialized spear, ready to conquer the light.
The corn leaves expand into long, arching ribbons with prominent parallel veins.
Structural integrity. These external brace roots act like biological guy wires, anchoring the tall corn stalk against the wind.
Underground view. The dense, fibrous root system of the corn plant, mining for nitrogen and water.
The corn stalk thickens, the green surface becoming smooth and glossy.
The internal blueprint. Within the protection of the leaf, the corn plant is already designing the geometric grid of the future harvest.
The corn tassel begins to emerge from the top of the corn stalk, looking like a green, feathery plume.
The sky-high flower. The male tassel rises above the field to release a golden rain of genetic information.
Small yellow anthers begin to hang from the corn tassel branches, swaying in the wind.
The golden rain. Each grain of pollen is a tiny vessel of life, searching for the shimmering silk below.
The female corn ear begins to push out from the leaf axil, wrapped in tight green corn husks.
Delicate, shimmering green-yellow corn silks emerge from the tip of the green corn husk.
The contact. A single strand of corn silk leads to a single kernel. Pollination is a one-to-one race for survival. The pollinated corn silks begin to turn from vibrant green to a dry, reddish-brown color.
The milk stage. Inside the husk, hundreds of individual kernels are inflating with a nutrient-rich, sugary reservoir.
The green corn husk begins to lose moisture, turning into a pale, papery parchment color.
Mathematical beauty. The corn cob is a grid of energy, perfectly organized for maximum density and nutrition.
The entire corn stalk begins to turn golden brown as the plant enters the senescence phase.
The final seal. Once the black layer forms, the connection is severed. The corn kernel is now a standalone unit of life. The AI visualization shows the distinct layers: the protective pericarp, the starchy endosperm, and the nutrient-rich embryo.
The camera glides through the rows of the cornfield, the dry leaves rustling like paper.
The air is visualized as swirling gold and bronze particles, representing the starch content. The sunset casts a warm, orange glow over the golden cornfield, highlighting the vertical lines. Behold the grid of life, a miracle of organization and sun-trapping energy. This is Genesis motion.
Hydraulic power. The cornstalk uses water pressure to stay upright while supporting the heavy ears. The corn kernels are shown to be incredibly hard, resistant to external pressure.
The micronets. Every silk strand is covered in microscopic hairs, ensuring not a single grain of pollen escapes. corn stalk stands tall even when dry, a monument to a successful season. Pure, golden, perfect. Genesis motion delivers the geometry of the sun.